Step into serenity, where luxury meets well-being and nature becomes your personal sanctuary. A mere 40 seconds of gazing at lush greenery heightens focus and refines mental clarity. 2 hours a week immersed in nature is all it takes to elevate your health and overall vitality. Surrounded by verdant landscapes, good sleep becomes 92% more likely, enhancing daily renewal and graceful rest. And for children, proximity to green spaces fosters enhanced focus, reduced hyperactivity, and improved cognitive development, setting the foundation for a life of brilliance. This is not simply greenery, it's a lifestyle of refinement. It's your home in the city, curated for your well-being,